Chapter 4 The Reward of Honesty. Long, long ago, there lived a rich man in a village. He was very honest and kind-hearted. He always behaved well and never insulted anybody. He always helped the poor and the needy people. He opened a school for children and a hospital for the sick. He was also very kind towards the birds and animals. Every day in the morning, after praying in a temple, he used to feed the poor, needy people and the physically challenged people. In the evening, he used to take his children on the bank of river to feed the fish. But his children were not interested in their father's good deeds. Once a terrible famine occurred in that village. Famine means extreme shortage of food. As there was extreme scarcity of food grains due to famine, the villagers did not have food to eat, and they sometimes remained hungry. The rich man had stored food grains, and he decided to distribute the food grains among all the villagers. When his sons came to know about this, they were not happy. They requested their father to allow them to sell the food grains at higher price during the famine. They wanted to earn a lot of money. But the rich man did not agree to this proposal, and he kept distributing the food grains. The famine prolonged for many months, and the rich man served the poor with all his wealth. Gradually, his business came in loss and he became a poor man. After some time, he became seriously ill, and the doctor advised him to eat a fish every day. His sons arranged a fisherman who brought a fish for him every day. After some time, his health condition began to improve. One day, the fisherman brought a huge fish. When the fish was cut for cooking, there was a big diamond inside it. After recovering completely, he sold that diamond to a jeweler and received a good amount of money, with which he started his business again. His business flourished very soon. He had received the reward for his honesty. He told his sons that God wants us to always help the poor and the needy. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is honesty is the best policy.